Hello everyone, welcome again. So today we are going to be talking about trading, how to trade Bitcoin, a good Bitcoin trading strategy. So we are going to achieve this using three major features. We're going to be looking at three major things. One, we are going to be looking at supply and demand areas of Bitcoin trading. We are going to be looking at how to use the Fibonacci tool, to map out places of reversals and retracements. And also then finally we will now look at market top 10 analysis and break of structure. So let's go. Let us start with trading any financial instrument. You must first look at it in higher time. Don't be quick to go into the 5 minutes and 15 minutes. You cannot sustain such growth. So let's look at the daily time frame. Before we look at the daily time frame, let me show you something on weekly charts. When you change this to your line chart and you zoom out your charts, you're going to find places of supply and demand areas right here. It's a supply zone. It is a demand zone. This is why when price got to this level, there was a consolidation trying to form, trying to start a new direction, a new trend for the market. So when the market got to this level, and there was a switch in trend, right? So now let's see what happens when the market got to this place. We'll now go down to our day one. Let's map out this. So go to our daily charts. Yes, on our daily charts, what you're looking out for, a market break of structure, right? You're looking out for structural formation. So at this level, you can see that when the market got to this place, there was sort of a consolidation here. This whole zone, market was consolidated. Let me map that area out. Just hold on a bit. This whole zone, you can see the market is just moving on a sideways direction. Why? Because it wants to change its trend, directional trend. So what happens here. At this place, you have to wait for the market to give a huge breakout candle out from the structure formation. This whole area here is structure, right? I'm going to make this easy for you, okay? This is the structure I'm talking about. This is 1, 2, 3. And there you go, the breakout house. This is a W structure, which is actually a reversal pattern. So when you even take it further to your lower time frame, 4 hours, you're going to see a clear formation. You can see that. So actually, guys, there are really no best time frame to trade. You just have to understand market psychology and get to understand how the time frames get to complement each other. You're looking for the best time frame to give you more data, more interpretation to know how to approach the market. So as you can see on your 4 hours, this is where the breakout happens right here. And let's go take it further. Let's go to our 1 hour, see what happens. You can see it's all saying the same. You can see the 1 hour breakout right here. So about that, try to find 1 hour. Let me show you it. Don't stay too long. Anyway, this is the breakout right here. Okay, so guys, that's how to trade Bitcoin. I want to show you something else again. Let's take out this. Let's imagine that you are not here to catch this market right here. How are you going to know when to join in on the trend? Remember that the market has trended. Been a trend. Now after a trend, there was a minor retracement, or rather a huge one. There's a daily chart, a huge retracement. So now how do you join in? How do you know where and when to join in on the Bitcoin? This is what you're going to do. There are 2 ways you go about it again. You have to look out for demand areas, then you also have to complement it with your Fibonacci tool. So when you change this to your line charts, identify your demand areas. How deep, is the market going to dip that? Is it going to go way lower? This is how you're going to figure this out. I'm going to start with my Fibonacci tool. I'm going to draw my Fibonacci tool from the swing low. Sorry, picked the wrong tool. Yeah, from the swing low to the swing high. Yeah. So when you change this back to candlesticks, you can see that price got to the point exactly at 61.8 retracement level. And if you scale this down using your trying to find your demand level, you will see that it complements this whole area where there's a consolidation. Sometimes you have to switch to another time frame for you to be able to see, clear demand levels. Let's see if we can find demand levels here. You can change it to daily charts. So guys, I hope you're getting this. This is just how to deal with. So sometimes you cannot find clear support and demand levels, for obvious reasons. You cannot find a good structural formation with either the candlesticks or the line chart. That is where you bring out your Fibonacci tool, and makes it even better when your Fibonacci tool aligns with your demand and supply levels. So now guys, it's not over. When price got to this level, let me take this thing out. When price got to this level, do you just place your trade and you start buying? No. You want to be conservative about how you place your entry. This is where you also apply market top-down analysis. You go to a lower time frame. You can go as low as 1 hour, but before you get to the 1 hour, you want to check the 4 hours first. So let's go to our 4 hours. This is the 4 hours right here, and this is our mapped area. Now, what are you looking out for? In this 4 hours, you're looking out for market patterns. You're looking out for double bottom. You're looking out for batted head and shoulder. Just whatever the name is. At the end of the day, you just want to see you're looking out for structural formation and breakouts. Now, when you change this to your line chart, I was telling you about line charts. With line chart, you can easily spot structures compared to candlesticks. This is why I get to switch between candlesticks and line chart. So let's go to our line chart. This is our line chart, right? You can see a formation here. It is around, this formation is around the Fibonacci level. So it qualifies that if the structure is broken out, because it is in a demand level and is at the last point of the Fibonacci retracement level, then it is okay for you to place a buy. Now let's see what happens here. You can see my map out areas here. I mapped out. You can see how price broke through our horizontal line. Guys, I hope you can see this. This is the spot I'm talking about. You can see how this candle broke through. This is where you're buying. This is where you place your buy. And if you want to even take it lower to your 1 hour, you get to see, they all say the same thing. And you can see how long this market stayed. You've been in the market for a while. If you apply your Ctrl Y, you get to see this has stayed for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it's still counting. It's still counting, guys, still counting. Now the question is, how far? How far will this market go? How far will this market go? There are two ways you can also do this. You can still use your Fibonacci to look out for. You're looking out for a reversal level. How far will this market go? Let's see. I'll take my Fibonacci. I'll draw from the swing high down to a swing low to find a reversal level. These are potential zones where the market could reverse. Okay, so if you watch here, the market got to the first reversal level. Fibonacci 127.2, got to the second one 147, is heading for the last one 161.8. That is the last reversal level of the Fibonacci. And however, there's other ways you can also look at this. If you zoom out your charts, you can, if you choose not to use the Fibonacci, you can look for a supply zone, and you can find a supply zone right here where you find the structure. Yeah. So this is where you're expecting the market to get to. These are potential areas that when the market gets to this level, there's going to be, like a decline, and it's going to be another structural formation that gives you a sell confirmation. So guys, this is how to trade Bitcoin. This is a Bitcoin trading strategy. So below I'm going to leave a link where you can go click and get to read more about market structure and market analysis for any financial instrument. It works every time. So guys, cheers.